To get started, you'll need to install the 8x8 Video Meetings plugin. Open a Google Chrome browser window and navigate to the Google Chrome Web Store. Search for 8x8 Video Meetings and click on the result. Then click Add to Chrome. When prompted, click Add Extension to install the plugin. The plugin will download and be added to your browser. You'll see the symbol to the right of the URL bar at the top of your browser window. Now you're ready to schedule a meeting. Open Google Calendar, double-clicking on the day of your meeting. The first time you open your calendar after installing the plugin, you'll see a login button. Clicking it will prompt you to log in using your 8x8 Video Meetings credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the Add Video Meeting button to create the meeting. Enter all your meeting details such as date, time, and participants, then click Save. Your meeting details will now include a link to join your 8x8 video meeting and a dial-in number if calling via phone.